Okay, so we're given this bond portfolio. There's 3 bonds, A, B, and C. We have the face value for each bond. It doesn't always have to be 1,000. 1,000, it could be 5,000, 2,000. We have the market values, or the price, the current values, the price of these bonds. We have the duration of each of these bonds. And the question is now asking us to calculate the duration of the portfolio. So we know that the duration of the portfolio is the sum of the weightings times the duration, the weighted average of each duration. The weightings are based on market values. So you never use the face value. That's the first thing. That's a distractor. These are the market values. So the first thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to add them all up because I'm going to get the weightings for each out of the total of the portfolio. Market value of the bond, market value of the portfolio. So let's add it up here. 950 plus 5,500 plus 1,950. I end up with 8,400. There's my portfolio value. Let's now calculate the weighted average. Bond A, 950 divided by 8,400, that's the weighting, times the duration of bond A, which is 3. Plus, let's do it for the next bond. 5,500 over 8,400 times duration of 7. Plus, do it for bond number 3, 1,950 divided by 8,400 times 12. And if we do this math, let's get it done here. 950 divided by 8,400 times 3. So that's 0.339. I'm going to store that in my memory number 1. Let me come to the next one. 5,500 divided by 8,400 times 7. And now I'm going to add that to my memory. Plus recall 1. And now I'm going to store that in number 1. Let's do the next one. 1,950 divided by 8,400 times 12. So that came to 2.78. Let's add that to the memory. And I get an answer of 7.708. So the portfolio duration is 7.708. What does this mean? And now this is the key. This is the key. For a parallel change in interest rates, our portfolio will change, well, let's say for a 1% parallel change in interest rates, our portfolio will change by about 7.708%. But the key is a parallel change. If the yield curve changes shape, then portfolio duration is unreliable. We know that. That was another point. Okay, so now we're on to the next.